Good afternoon. I'm additional with me, lawyers in chambers with me. Kabira Tajitoro is with me. This is Senator Sophia Oluwa. This is Mrs. Richards, beaming with smiles. It's been more than a week-long struggle to get freedom from her husband. That is Richard Dadiwumi Ayotunde. I'm pleased to inform now that just about 7 minutes ago, less than that, Honorable Justice Olatokun of the Ikeja High Court has ruled upon our application, gave a ruling, comprehensive ruling upon our application. We brought ex parte in the case of Ayotunde Richard, who has been in detention of the police since Thursday. Yes, that he should be released immediately. He should be released forthwith. You see, it's been quite traumatic when you have a situation of democracy and a situation of where law enforcement agents, very senior cadre who ought to know better, decide to behave in such a way that will indicate that they will still think we are under the jackboot of military autocracy or tyranny. It's quite sad. You know, if you have been following the story, last week Monday, the police went to the house of this fellow to come and arrest him. At our intervention, they didn't, and we produced him to them on Tuesday. That is on the 4th, and on the 5th, on Wednesday, we were in court, and we informed the Honorable Court about this situation, and the court warned the respondents, particularly the first respondent, Nigerian police, not to touch the man and not to arrest him. Yet we went back there on Thursday, that is the Lagos State Police Command, and what we find is that the authorities there, particularly the Commissioner of Police, insisted that the man must be detained. And I explained to the Commissioner of Police, who is supposed to be a friend of the bar and who has been meeting with the bar, I still met with them yesterday, that the man is not even a flight risk, and that the fellow who they said is conspiring with him had said that they don't even know themselves and all that. At any rate, I've brought the man twice, on Tuesday and on Thursday, and that there is no need to detain him because I can always produce him. Commissioner said no. They said they will charge the man to court on Friday. On Friday, that is the 9th, the 8th of you guys come closer. Don't you have the 8th of March? Yeah, so they didn't charge the man to court. I went to the commissioner. He granted me access to him, and I explained the situation to him. The gentleman said, no, that's beyond him, it's above him. I deposed all these in the affidavit, and they detained him again. In fact, he fainted, he collapsed on the evening of the night of that day. Not Saturday or Friday. Yes, and so we filed an application ex parte asking for his release. The judge had our application on Wednesday and directed that the police, the fourth respondent, the Nigerian police, should come up with affidavit showing cause why the person should not be released unconditionally. That is what the judge, which is fair enough, and that they should bring the man up today in court on Friday. Now, we served the police the order. I even served another electronically, that is in advance, to the counsel representing the police before the court, only for the gentleman to be insisting that the government, FCID Alagbon, is not in control of the Lagos State Police Command. And this is the story he came to even tell the judge today, that the Nigerian police, they are under different commands, and that they have nothing to do with the man, but that the Lagos State Police Command, and he has directed me to the authorities there, The judge will not buy that. The judge did not buy that and said, no, why have you not shown cause? Why have you not filed any affidavit? Even when the bailiff went there yesterday, they did not collect the order of court, the certified true copy order of court. The bailiff went there, did not collect it. The man was frustrated, stayed there for more than 3 hours. Eventually, he left it on the table and brought, what is that? And did he served them. He left it there and deposed an affidavit to that effect. Now, today, the police lawyer showed up. We went the extra mile. Me and my legal team went the extra mile. We had 4 lawyers yesterday. We served the Lagos State Police Command 2 nights ago. We served the Lagos State, the OC Legal, who has been quite wonderful. That is Ayotunde Cardozo. I don't really know her rank. I think maybe it's Supol of Police. That's been wonderful and intervened. But they did not heed. So I went yesterday myself to see my client in the custody of the Lagos State Police Command. And I told the officers, a DCP, a DSP, and an ASP, I met them and I told them that this is the situation. We have served papers, rulings, court order on your office. They were feigning ignorance that they don't know anything about that. And they refused to produce the fellow, only for us to get to court today. And the police lawyer decided to be a police and forgetting that we have a responsibility to the court. It's ordinarily a very admirable gentleman and quite sound, but I'm surprised today. So I impress this on the honorable court that we are not even talking and fighting for only the liberty of just an individual, but for the protection of democracy, the promotion of the rule of law, and the respect for the judiciary. You know, the judge agreed with us entirely and said they should release. They have not shown cause. The court has no choice now than to order the person should be released forthwith. Play for my friend to get up in court and say they will obtain the order. They will send it to Abuja. Abuja, the police council will now direct. Will now direct Lagos State Police Command. It's a case, to me, with due respect, it's a case of a clear unwillingness to do the right thing and to respect and promote the rule of law. We are in a court that is less than 300 meters away from where the gentleman is being held in custody. You know? Yes. You know? So this is the situation. I want to thank every one of us who has stood steadfastly with us. We are not saying don't charge him to court. We are not saying don't prosecute him, but don't persecute him. It's absolutely needless to detain him since Thursday. He just kept there to detain him. It's absolutely needless. This person has not committed any violent crime. There's no allegation of rape, no allegation of murder, no allegation of armed robbery, no allegation of banditry, no allegation of terrorism, no allegation of treasonable felony, no allegation of anything. Just he abused me, doesn't abuse me, and the person is denied his liberty. So the court spread the word. The court has ordered that Richard Adewumi Ayotunde, being detained upon the petition of the MFM Church in respect of their leader, Dr. Dike Olukoya, the judge has ordered he be released immediately. Thank you. Somebody is filming me now, no, and I'm put on Facebook now. I'm put on Facebook. So you said these policemen? Yes. How many of them? There are 3 of them. There are 3. What you want to lay a compound? You see your house? In your balcony, they are there. You know, your children are afraid. Where's your wife? Where's your wife? She's on her way from work. Now I want you to just maintain the position. I've spoken with the policemen, and the policemen have refused to answer my questions. I've asked them. ASP Isaac is the man that said who had decided to speak with me. And I said, do you have any invitation? You have come to a man's house. Also, do you have an arrest? Oh. Listen, just listen. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Now, this ASP Isaac, who said is from the special squad of the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, I asked him a simple question. Do you have an arrest warrant of this man that you are coming to his house? And do you have an invitation? He said I should not ask him any questions. So I'll try calling Commissioner of Police Fayuade. Is it Fayuade now? Fayuade. So Commissioner of Police Fayuade, I'm calling you. I am Additional Gunlano, former chairman, Nigerian Bar Association, Ikeja branch. You are here with us about a month ago, and a half months ago, when you had a parley with us because of this kind of incident of police brutality under your command. And we've told these people, if you are, say, from the office of the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, what are you doing at Ogun State? Because my client is there now at Igu Estate, behind Prayer City. That's clearly Ogun State. And now they are threatening to break down the door to arrest him. And I've said they should go ahead and break down the door if they know that they are acting within the law. Have they come to arrest a violent criminal who's committing armed robbery or murder? What have they come to? We have a case in court on Wednesday against the person who has sent them. That you have a case against Olukoya of the MFM and the trustees and all the other people there. There are ongoing cases. Ongoing case, one against us and one by us against them, fundamental. And it's coming up on Wednesday. Now they are trying to preempt the court. They want to tamper with the administration of justice. That's what they are doing. That's what they are doing. So now leave the police. If they know they are doing the right thing, just listen to me, please. Let them stay there. If they want to break the door, let them break the door. I will try and get in contact with Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, Fayuade. He has not picked up, but I will call him again. I will repeat this broadcast again and again for Nigerians to know the kind of police that we have in this country. To their knowledge, they know there's a case in court. Even the case against this man, they had him through they have abandoned him for months. We've been calling the registrar of that court since the past 3-4 weeks. Where is this case assigned to? She will refuse to answer. I sent her a message today. All these people, I told the lady, I'm writing a petition against you. They are collaboration against the citizens of Nigeria using their powers and their position. Yes. Just hold on. Let's see what they will do. I dare them to break down that door. I dare them to invade your house. Yes, yes. Without nothing.
I know you sent me.
And it has, the last time they did this was 12 a.m. in the night, 12:30 a.m. About how many months ago was that? Yes. Thank you.